What is up guys, how's it going? Hope you had a good weekend. I had a great weekend. The Trident exhausts are now fitted. I've got a good idea on how to pick up some good sounds, so watch out for another video during the week on these Trident exhausts. Thanks and a shout out to Chris for helping me fit them. Chris and I put the Tridents on over the weekend. Today's Monday, haven't had much of a chance to ride with them yet, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a taste of how they sound. Enjoy. Just got back from riding. Love those exhausts. So I need a bit of work on the seat hugger. That needs a bit of playing with to get it to fit right. Looks amazing on the bike, but it definitely needs some work to fit properly. So the bike's looking good. I'm quite happy with it. So that's the wheel hugger on, that's the seat cover on, and that's the exhausts on. So productive weekend really.